In this video series, we will complete a Revit structural project in small, easy steps. Please subscribe our channel for future updates. In our previous video, we placed reinforcement in our columns. Now let's add reinforcement in our beams. Open section passing from a beam. Zoom on the beam and select beam. This is our plinth beam. Click on rebar. Choose shape T1. Now choose number 3 as diameter. Click on beam to place this bar. Now let's repeat the steps to place longitudinal bars. Choose shape 0. Change placement to perpendicular to cover. Choose desired diameter of bar. Now place these bars at the bottom and top of the beam. Let's view our beam in the 3D view. We have only one ring in the beam. Select this ring and change it to maximum spacing and then put 6" in the spacing option. This plinth beam reinforcement is ready. We can also copy reinforcement from one beam to another beam. Make a section passing from 2 beams. Open this section. Make selection around beam and then apply filter. Select structural rebars. Now copy these bars and paste them to the another beam. Reinforcement in the second beam has been copied. Similarly, we will add reinforcement in all the beams. In our next video, we will add reinforcement in the roof slab. What do you think about the video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.